Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Talking about libraries. There is one library in particular I need to mention. This one. A very small, teeny tiny little library. But it has such a deep impression and huge importance in this time, our road trip. So we are taking a road trip from our home in San Francisco Bay Area to Death Valley to Las Vegas. And on our way going there and coming back, we passed by Joshua National Park or State Park. I forgot. Joshua Tree National Park. Let me see. Joshua Tree National Park or State Park. Okay, I searched online. It's Joshua Tree National Park. And we have stopped over for an important thing in this library, Joshua Tree National Park, and this city is called Joshua Tree. And we need to have a conference call, and we are already checked out of our hotel, and we cannot find any other place except this library who has internet connection. My family said maybe we should go to the hotel lobby, but actually there is not a hotel lobby. It's a very small motel. And I said maybe we can go to the library. I am a library user all the time, so I suggested we go to the library. And we went to the library. The library allowed us. I asked, can we sit here and use the internet and make a conference call? And we will be quiet, not too many, too much talking. And the librarian, he was very kind. He allowed us to stay there. And it's usually a listening conference, and just a few sentences need to add up, so it does not disturb so much. And there are only 2 other peoples with computer in the library. Maybe they are searching some of the places, some of the local places for picture or for something. They look like a traveling person also, like traveling to see the place. But I cannot make any guess. But this library itself is quite impressive. So I chatted with the librarian, and he told me that this library used to be a post office. It's very small. Everything is in one room. There is no partition, no section, and there is a toilet. You can go to the toilet. The librarian, everyone used the same toilet. And there is a children's section, and 1 or 2 tables with I forgot if there is a computer or not. 1 or 2 tables for people to search some books, and usually I think people come here and they are connected with San Bernardino County library system, might be. So there are a big library system so that you can borrow a book. If you cannot find it here, you can go to loan the book through the library system. And they are very helpful. And we had our conference there. We had our video call there, and fulfilled the the mission. And this gives me even a stronger impression of this place. Library is the lifeline for a city, is the soul of a city, is the lifeline for a lot of people who are not in the most comfortable, convenient situation. If we travel, I have met people, I have met one of the greatest artists, and I have done a video of this artist. He was homeless, and I met him at Utah Library. So he went to library to get his cell phone charged. He got a break, and I met him, and I saw his artwork, and I could not help to make a video of him. It was a touching one. And I have been to other library, one of our local library. I saw one guy. It seems he was traveling or something, and it's quite looks quite rough with his big, huge backpack. And he came to the library. First thing he did was charging his cell phone. And it's so very important. We all have good time and not so good time. Sometimes we take challenge in our life. We challenge ourselves to make ourselves uncomfortable, right? For example, when we travel, we went to a remote place. We went to a less convenient place with less internet, with less information, and library becomes a source of recharging our energy, recharging our spirit, recharging our knowledge, and just recharging, take a sitting there and reset ourselves to keep on going. And also, there are conditions that people are involuntarily got challenge from life. Maybe they do not have a job. Maybe they do not have a place to stay. And we do need that kind of we do need understanding, generosity, and empathy and compassion for the people who are less fortunate. The people who are less fortunate, not they, not other people. We all have a chance to be less fortunate, same as we have a chance to be fortunate. Life can be unpredictable, and being kind and generous and compassionate to accept. And as a government, as a city, as an administrative, as an authority, we also should have that generosity to allow this service for people. It's for the goodness for the society. When people go to library, they are at least safe, occupied, and not going to do wrong things. It's a safe pad. Anyway, I'm a little bit going a little bit too much further, but I'm very, very grateful for this library. This is Joshua Tree Library in near Joshua Tree National Park, near 29 Palms, near Palm Spring, in the middle of the desert. Not so many people, only a very small small city, small town, and you drive 10-20 minutes. There is another town called Yucca Valley, and for the convenience, we just stayed in Joshua Tree Library, and it has such a profound, deep impression in me for that particular moment, that when we are in need, it is the library that saved us, helped us, and facilitated our life. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Shout out to every single, I should not say shout out. Big kudo, big respect for all the librarians. Thank you. Libraries, thank you. For people who support library, for people who use library, thank us. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo bye bye.